So this video gonna be funny somehow because after making some sort of videos regarding how to do fake transfer on Opay and Palmpay, individual videos that we uploaded. So we got some gas goals comments on those videos. So that's more reason why I'm trying to make this single video so that people that are looking for either of the two can actually get almost everything in just one video. So if you are looking for how to do fake transfer on OPay, welcome to the video. And if you are also looking for a way to do fake transfer on PalmPay, you also welcome to this video. So one thing I want to understand is the fact that why do you want to make a fake transfer to someone? So one or two ways you have one kind of feelings like you want to, I'm not gonna say you want to do scamming directly, but me and you know what exactly is in your mind because different thing actually hold on to this. So for you trying to do some fake transfers. So it could be you just want to test out someone's intelligence. It could be you're trying to do some fake life for someone. It could be you're trying to buy something from someone and just trying to tell the person that you have made the payment, whereby the person will be expecting a lot the from the bank or from for their own mobile app. Then they will feel furious checking on the SMS, they won't see the SMS alert, and checking on their mobile app as well, they won't see any money reflecting in their account. So this can cause a lot of chaos online because you yourself know that you didn't send any payment. And how also will you feel when someone trying to do this kind of things to you? Like you are expecting money from someone and that person told you that he or she have made the payment direct to your bank account that you provided and you are eager to get the alert. You didn't see the alert through SMS and logging into your mobile app. You didn't see any reflect of that money. So how will you feel as well? This is just a normal thing. So why would you like trying to scam another person, another human being just like yourself? Which of course, if someone do that same thing to you, you won't be happy about it. So I didn't see any reason why you should try to do something you cannot take to someone else because there is no any good thing you're actually looking for on this particular video regarding how to do fake transfer. So I found some apps that you can actually use, but I didn't see any reason why I should put out that app here on YouTube or online for you to be able to scam some people. This channel is not for scamming purpose, and we're not gonna do that. So you are trying to balance things or between making money online, then financial issues, which of course you can be able to sort it out online when you're facing some financial issue regarding getting a loan and lending platform and some things like that. So if you're expecting to get a apps or an apps that you can actually use or a tutorial whereby you can actually use to scam people out there, I'm very sorry, we're not gonna provide that kind of stuff for you in this video because it's not gonna give us any good reputation on this channel. Other than that, it's gonna affect us on this platform and it's gonna affect a lot of people out there who are or who might fall into victim of in your hand when you are trying to scam them for their own ad. And I'm very sure you yourself will not want someone to scam you for your own ad, and whereby you have worked for some money and that after the end of the month that person told you that he or she have paid the money directly to your bank account and then show you some screenshots or alert that he or she have sent the money to you and you're just gonna get mad like you'll be expecting, you even keep on calling your bank like, hello, someone sent money to you and then you didn't see any alert and you have checked your mobile app, what's going on? So it's gonna affect you, like emotionally, you just be mad at your bank, whereby you don't know that the person did not send any money to your bank account. So why would you uh why would you have to do this? I'm very sorry. You can do anything you like on the comment section. I'm ready to take that. I know there are a lot of people that are gonna say, fuck you, do this, do that, which of course that's left to you. But I'm trying to this video out there so that it can save a lot of people, and then you yourself trying to scam people with this kind of app. I'm very sure maybe this can actually change your mindset from that one, because you're not gonna happy what you cannot take. Don't try to do it for another person or another human being like you. Maybe you don't need my advice, but man, I already said this and you can come and beat me if you like. So that is all for this video.